In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Clio Accounting. By the end, you'll have your billing and accounting preferences aligned with your firm's needs, so invoices, taxes, expenses, and trust accounting work smoothly from day one. Start by opening Settings from the left sidebar. This is your control center for firm-wide preferences. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you know where to return if you need to adjust something later. Next, go to Billing under the Clio Settings section. This is where you'll manage how your firm bills, collects payments, and applies accounting rules. Think of it as the hub for your financial workflows. Begin by reviewing your firm's billing preferences. Confirm details like how you want invoices to behave, the default delivery method, and any display or formatting choices that ensure your bills are clear and professional. Align these with your typical client agreements so your process is consistent every time. Set your default currency in the billing settings. Choose the currency you bill in most often to avoid conversion issues. Consistency here helps your reporting and prevents confusion for both your team and your clients. Open the Taxes tab and add all required tax rates. Enter each rate clearly, including a descriptive name so they're easy to select later. If you bill in multiple jurisdictions, add each applicable rate now. Accuracy at this stage ensures invoices calculate correctly without manual edits. Move to the Payment Profiles tab to create your billing terms. Define your standard terms, such as when invoices are due, and any alternative profiles you commonly use. Clear terms support timely payments and set expectations up front. Head over to the Expenses tab and configure your expense tracking preferences. Decide how you want expenses categorized, whether they're billable by default, and how taxes apply to them. Setting this now improves consistency and speeds up your month-end processes. Open the Protected Funds tab to review trust accounting settings. Confirm that the rules you enable reflect your compliance requirements and internal controls. This section helps you keep client funds segregated and properly tracked. When everything looks good, click Save to apply your accounting settings. Avoid navigating away before saving to prevent losing your changes. Finally, verify the setup. Scan through your billing and accounting settings to ensure the currency, tax rates, payment profiles, expense preferences, and protected funds rules match your firm's policies. A quick double check now prevents headaches later. That's it for getting Clio Accounting set up. If you found this helpful, feel free to revisit these sections anytime as your firm's needs evolve. Thanks for watching.